In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your life aesthetically in Notion by designing a personalized dashboard. Notion is a powerful tool that, when customized effectively, can transform your productivity and make your digital workspace not only functional but also inspiring to interact with. First, let's start off by creating your central dashboard. Imagine your central page as a house, with various rooms representing different areas of your life, be it work, personal matters, studying, or content creation. This isn't just about making your Notion look pretty, it's about creating a system that helps you compartmentalize and organize your life's demands efficiently. Each room or section will help you manage different facets of your life in an organized manner. Next, to bring it all together visually, choose a consistent theme. This could be a specific color palette or a visual style that resonates with you. A cohesive theme doesn't just bring aesthetic pleasure, it helps reduce clutter, making your workspace more inviting and less overwhelming. Whether you're drawn to minimalist styles, bold colors, or calming pastels, choose what makes you feel most at home and focused in your digital house. Now, let's add some visual flair to personalize your space with more than just colors. Consider incorporating a cover image, something that inspires you every time you open the dashboard. Icons are another great tool. They can serve as visual cues and help you quickly identify different sections or elements within your Notion. Don't be afraid to get creative. You want this space to reflect your personality and motivate you. In addition to static visuals, you can also embed widgets to make your dashboard dynamic and engaging. Widgets can include anything from a weather forecast to stay informed, a playlist to provide background music that fuels your productivity, or even a countdown to a special event that you're looking forward to. These interactive elements add a lively touch and can keep you motivated and inspired as you work through your tasks. Remember, Notion offers an extensive library of templates that can provide structure to your dashboard. Don't hesitate to leverage these templates. They can save you time and give you a jumping-off point for customization. The key here is to make the dashboard engaging and tailored to your personal style and needs. By thoughtfully designing each aspect of your Notion dashboard, you'll create a personalized digital environment that not only organizes your life but also enhances your daily productivity. With these strategies, managing your day-to-day tasks in Notion becomes a delightful, rather than daunting, part of your routine. So, dive in and start crafting a space that's as unique as you are, where productivity meets pleasure in a seamless blend.